some ice. Durmax Lmm 08. Figured I'd do a cold start. Hasn't been sat overnight, so let's see what it does. Well, it's a 08 LMM. It's got 150,000 miles on it. It's got 5-inch exhaust here back and air intake S&B. Other than that, it's all factory. Got 20-inch tough wheels, Super Swamper M16s. It's got a, I believe it's a 8 or maybe even a 7-inch FabTech lift. Got some nice step bars. The Magnum MTs, RT steps. But yeah, crunk up fine, no issues. Sounds like a monster though. So, yep, that hauls my Clippo. But if it's your first time stopping in, please subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll see you in the next video.